Okay, we're going to show you how to do the item lists now. So basically go to the View tab and just press the tool palettes icon here, or Control and number 3 will bring it up as well. That's a shortcut. Okay, so here we are. When you bring it up, there's different tabs you can go to. The one you want is the annotative. You can probably, you can't read the whole word, but that's the annotation, sorry, not annotative, annotation tab. Alright, now there's imperial stuff here, and this metric stuff down here. That's the stuff you want here, the metric. So this is basically adding onto the table command that I've already recorded for you. Alright, so it's adding onto that. These are the tags that we're going to put onto the little anything that you're drawing. Alright, it's your parts list tags. Alright, so this one here for the item numbers, it'll come up. It's saying you're in 1:1 scale. Are you sure you want to do that? Are you sure you want to? Because this object that I'm bringing in is scale aware, so it will scale it according to the scale. So if it's a 1:100 drawing, I've got to make sure that this is 1:100. All right. But what we're doing is 1:1, I think. So I think we could leave it at that. All right. So that comes in. I'll just turn off this stuff here. Alright, so now if I just zoom in, you see this thing come in like that. Alright, so if I click it there, that's fine. Alright, make sure you're in the right layout and all that sort of stuff, of course. Alright, but I'm just going to show you how to use this. Now, this is not quite right what we want, but suppose your feature or something that you want to point to is over here. You click on there, and you can just drag this along anywhere to, and as long as you like, and just drop it wherever the thing is pointing to. Alright. Alright, so now the other thing is the number's not quite right, and possibly even the font might not be right for you, but what you can do, the thing also that's not right, I think the circle's got to be 10 millimeters. This one comes in at 12.7 or something. So if I just turn this off now for a minute, and if I just, I don't know where my measuring is on here at this point, so I'll just type in DI for distance. Just to show you here, turn on the snaps. Hang on, we haven't got. Let me just put the quadrant on. There you go. Alright, so if I measure from here to there, it's 12.7. So I've got to get it down to 10. Alright. First thing I'll do is scale it. So I'm going to get one right, then I'm going to copy it along. So if I scale this, SC for scale, I'm typing it in, enter. Select this thing here, and press enter. Alright, we know, well, first thing is asking is base point. We'll just give it anything, it doesn't matter here. Now, I'm going to go scale by reference. Okay, scale, ooh, where's my reference gone? Good question. Let me just dock this thing here. Probably lose the command now. Let's try it again. Alright, SC for scale, select this thing here, enter. Base point is this. Right, reference is what we want here. Alright, it's 12.7 now, so 12.7, enter. So it's asking me how big is it now? 12.7. And the new length, it says, shall be 10. Alright, now I'm going to double click in here. 1 to change the number, but 2 to change the size of this number. Alright. So I can change the number if I want it to be, say, you know, if it's item 4, for example, I can change it to 4, that's fine. Just do that there. Text options, I can change the font even. So if I've got the text style, so if I've got a different text style already in here that I like, I might change it to that, say, or whatever. I'll leave it at Tahoma for now. Oh, let's change the justification, I think, here. Justification should be how it was. I think it's middle, it probably would be middle, there you go. Alright, I don't know why that changed, shouldn't have. Alright, what I want to change is, the size. Would you make it 3.5, say? Or whatever the standard says. That's how you change it there, alright? So if I enter that now, it should be a bit more proportional. So it that's how you do it anyway. You can muck around with it. Once I've got that right, I can just copy this along to whatever the item that I'm copying. So I'll put it down here. The next one might be sort of pointing to something else, maybe something in here. And then double click on there and change it to whatever number it is. It might be 5, for example. And that's how you do those. Alright? All good, thank you.
And what layer do we put them on?
You can put it, usually those sort of things will go on they'll go on like a text layer. They're not dimensions or anything like that. So that's a good question. They're probably some sort of a notes layer or something like that. Yeah, excellent. Good question.
Yeah, I actually listened.